Hey everyone! Have you ever thought about how the money in your pocket is made? Today, we're going on a fun claymation adventure to see how Indian rupees are made. Get ready! We'll start at the Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, or SPMCIL. It's in Nashik, Maharashtra, where Indian money is printed. First, it all begins with special paper made from cotton, so it's strong and lasts a long time. But this isn't regular paper, it's special paper made from cotton and cotton rag, so it's strong and lasts a long time. Next, let's talk about the design. The Reserve Bank of India, or RBI, creates the designs for the money. Each design has special patterns, hidden safety marks, and cool pictures that show India's history. Like the Mahatma Gandhi pictures, or the newer ones with bright colors and famous places. When everyone likes the design, it's time to print. They use special printing machines with lots of different inks. These machines are super fancy and help make sure the money is printed perfectly and is hard to copy. Here's a neat trick. They use something called intaglio printing. This makes the pictures on the money feel bumpy. It's one of the ways they make sure it's hard to fake Indian money. You can feel the bumps if you rub your fingers on a note. After printing, they check every single note to make sure it's perfect. If a note has a problem, they get rid of it so only the good ones end up in your wallet. They're really careful about checking. Next, they cut the big sheets of money into individual notes. Special cutting machines make sure each note is the right size. This is important so all the notes are the same. Finally, they put the notes in bundles, pack them up, and send them safely to banks all over India. Then the money goes to people like us and we use it every day. So the next time you hold a rupee, think about everything it went through to get to you. From special paper and cool designs to fancy printing and careful checking, making money is like art and science mixed together. Thanks for coming on this claymation adventure with me. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, tell your friends, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.